Well, guys, there she is. Sandy did a hell of a job cleaning all that glass. 16 panels. 16 panels of glass. And I got these deer antlers here that I cut slices into, and I'm going to, kind of use them for displaying the blades. But cabinets never looked so nice. This had a label up here, and it was really nasty. I covered it with a really nice piece of Gemsbach hide that a friend of mine hooked me up with. It's pretty cool. Door opens right through the fur. Yeah. So I'm in the process of setting up my knife cabinet. There's a nice plant stand. Sandy's, things are in disarray yet. This is the living room. I saved this furniture from when my folks were first married. This was their first set of furniture. It's beautiful with the dovetails. I made that 4-footed deer foot lamp, and of course that goes with the antler lamp, which is rather cool. And the same thing with this 3-sided coffee table, goes with the set. I just refinished the coffee table itself, and that came out really nice. And that's the Dream Team, my waterfowl sculpture. And here's my prized possession sculpture. This is called Buck of a Lifetime. It's an incredible sculpture. How'd you guys like to see that coming through the woods at you, huh? Oh, good stuff. Yeah, so anyhow, there's been a knife explosion. And I gotta figure out how I want to display these in the cabinet. Up here on the top are all custom knives. And you guys out there will recognize which ones are yours. Just some really great stuff. So pleased to have. A little bit of everything. You know what? While I'm passing by here, guys, you see this knife right here? Maybe you can help me out. How come that knife has these notches down here? This is a buffalo horn patch knife. And I have no idea what those notches are for. Anybody can help me out, let me know. Great little knife. It's pocket knives. This here is a Parker. That's a real Parker pocket knife. That pocket knife there was about $100, 25 years ago. Beautiful little knife. Got my 2 kissing cranes, a little bit of everything. And I'm going to figure out how everything's going to go in the cabinet. So what I'm going to do, I'll get busy on that. And pretty cool birch bark mirror right there that I made. This is birch bark and birch twig. Goes by the door. Kind of nice, but yeah, things are coming along, and just thank you guys for being there with me on this whole thing. And once I get the cabinet set up, I'll check back in with you.